Thanks for joining me on my channel today with AmysCreativeArt. Today I am doing, I'm going to do a flip cup today. I haven't done one for a while. This is on a wood panel. Oops, my cups are stuck here. I think I'm going to, I don't know, make this in a clock. I'm thinking, I'm not 100% sure. We'll see what it turns out to be. But I do have everything all taped up, and I did put a clear coat of white paint on the bottom. I got it at one of those Amazon places, and it had some writing on there, so I'm just going to paint over that. So the colors that I'm going to use today are, so I'm using Blinkrylic's Florescent Blue, Decoart's Metallic 24 Karat Gold. This is Decoart's Metallic Sapphire, Blinkrylic's Florescent Violet, Rustoleum's Metallic Glacier Blue, and I'm using Artist Lost Flow White. So I'm going to, oh no, I'm not going to flood the case. It's been a while. I got to think here what I'm doing. I have my cup here, and I'm just going to start layering everything. Put a little bit of gold here on the bottom. Get a cup here, or a paper towel, so I can put underneath so I don't get it all over. Alright, I do thank everybody for joining me today. I hope you guys will enjoy this video. And like and subscribe and share and comment, all that fun jazzy jazz. I appreciate you guys' support. I'm getting closer and closer to 1,000. If possible, if you guys enjoy the video, if you will watch it a little bit longer, I need to get up to 4,000 watched hours, and I still need a little bit there for that. So if you don't mind watching it just a little bit longer, I'm going to put a little bit of white in here. But I just appreciate your guys' support. It's been taking me a while to get to my 1,000 subscribers, but I do appreciate every single one of you. When you comment, I do like to comment back. I try to get back to you guys as soon as possible. Sometimes it does take me a little bit, but I do get back to you and respond. But I do thank you guys so much. I do apologize too. I haven't been, gosh, I think it's been, I had like a whole week where I didn't post anything because I haven't been feeling well. I've been kind of battling a little bit of pneumonia. And yeah, it is what it is. But I'm getting better, so that's all that matters. Let's see. I'm just going to put smidgen white on the top. And I'm sure this is way more than I really needed, but that's okay. Let's see if I can still flip it okay, because it's been a while since I've done that. Get everything out of the way so I don't make a mess. All right, here we go. 1, 2, 3. Ooh, that was not too bad. I'm kind of debating. I might make this a clock. This is what I'm kind of thinking. It has like a little hook to hang it on. So we'll see. We'll see what it looks like when I get all done. Or maybe I'll just get something, a decal or something to put on it to give it some little something there. I'm just going to slide this down here so I can pull it that way. Alrighty, where's my torch? Oh well. Look at all them cells in that cup. How cool is that? Alright, I'm just going to start moving it around here. Give me 1 second here. I'm just going to put a little bit of white around. I like it. It's really pretty. It's soft. I'm liking all the cells that are coming out. Gosh, I wish I had my torch. I don't know where it is. All right, I'm just gonna leave it alone, and hopefully don't have any air bubbles in there. But it's really cool how all these cells are popping up. I'm gonna bring it down for a close-up. Alrighty, so I'm gonna bring it down for a close-up. Got a lot of really cool cells in there. So much shimmer. You guys will have to tell me what you think. I'm kind of, I can't find my torch, and it's kind of like, it's got to be here somewhere, and I'm just not seeing it. I haven't been in here in over a week to paint, so I know it hasn't gone anywhere, but you guys will have to tell me what you think. I do appreciate everybody watching. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. It wasn't very long. And it's been a while since I've done a flip cup, so, and I always like how the crazy cool cells you get out of a flip cup. It's really pretty. But yeah. So tell me what you think. I hope everybody is being healthy and safe, and I hope everybody has a good day, has a good evening, and keep being creative. Bye-bye.